Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In our today's video, we are going to start exercise 7.4 question number 1. Write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign less, equal to or greater than between the fractions. Part A. These four figures are there and we are going to write the fraction for the shaded portion. So first we write the fraction for the shaded portion. In the first figure of A, there are 8 parts in this circle and out of 8 parts 1, 2 and 3 are shaded. So 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. So the fraction is 3 upon 8. How we write it? We write like this: 3 upon 8. Now for the second figure, this is the second one. Again it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 parts of this circle are there. Out of 8, only 2 are unshaded. It means 6 parts are shaded. So it is 6 upon 8. After that, again out of 8 parts, 4 are shaded. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 4 are unshaded. Total parts are 8. So here for the fraction for the shaded parts is 4 upon 8. Now for the last part, again there are total 8 parts are there and out of that 1 part is shaded, so it is 1 upon 8. Now in all these parts, 3 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8 and 1 upon 8, the denominator is same, that is 8, and the numerators are different, 1, 4, 6 and 3. Now we are going to arrange them in ascending and descending order using the sign less, equal to or greater between the fractions. Before that, we once again repeat these signs. What is the name of this sign? It is for less than and it is for the greater than. The face of L is in this side on right hand side and the face of this sign is also in right hand side. It open in right hand side. So it is the less sign and it is on the left hand side. This face is open. Face of this sign is open in the left hand side and G, the face of this small g is open in this side. So it is greater. We can learn these signs like this. On arranging in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is from small to greater, lesser to greater. That order is called the ascending order. So first we write the small fraction, then after we write the greater, then the greatest. So first we write 1 upon 8 less than 3 upon 8 less than 4 upon 8 less than 6 upon 8. And now on arranging in descending order. Descending order. What is descending order? In descending order, the greatest number comes first, then greater, then the smaller, then smallest. First we write 6 upon 8 is greater than 4 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 8. 6 upon 8 greater than 4 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 8 greater than 1 upon 8. This is descending order. Similarly for part B, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares are given, in which some parts are shaded and some are unshaded. We are going to write the fractions for the shaded part. Now for the part B, there are 4 squares are here, and in which some parts are shaded and some are unshaded. So this first square, total 9 parts are there, and out of that 8 parts are shaded. So the fraction for this first square is 8 upon 9. Now for the second square, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts are shaded. So the fraction for this part is 4 upon 9. Now for this third square, there are 3 shaded parts and total parts are 9. So it is 3 upon 9. Fraction for this part is 3 upon 9. Now for this last part, there are 6 parts which are shaded and total parts are 9. So it is 6 upon 9. Fraction is 6 upon 9. In these fractions 8 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 3 upon 9 and 6 upon 9, the denominator is same, that is 9. But the numerators are different. Now we are going to arrange these fractions in ascending and descending order using correct signs less, equal to or greater between the fractions. In ascending order, it is 3 upon 9 less than 4 upon 9 less than 6 upon 9 less than 8 upon 9, because all the denominators are same. So we are taking the decisions for arranging all these on the basis of their numerator. It is the less 3, then it is greater 4, then it is greater 6, and it is the greatest number 8. So it is in ascending order. In descending order, we can write like this. It is 8 upon 9 greater than 6 upon 9 greater than 4 upon 9 greater than 3 upon 9, because all the denominators are same. So again we are taking the decision for arranging them on the basis of their numerator, the value of their numerator. So it is in descending order. Now the C part, show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given, that is 5 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 6 by 6, 8 by 6 and 5 by 6. So first what we do, first we draw the number line and then we show these numbers on the number line. Numbers are shown here. It is 0, it is 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6 and 8 upon 6. We want to show the numbers 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on the number line. So this is our first number, that is 2 upon 6. Then it is 4 upon 6. Then this is third 8 upon 6, and this one is the 6 upon 6. So all these four numbers are shown on this number line. Why we show all the denominators same? Because in our given numbers all the denominators are the same, that is 6. Now in 5/6 and 2/6, 5/6 comes on the right hand side of 2/6. It means 5/6 is greater than the 2/6. So we put the greater sign in between 5/6 and 2/6. In the next 3/6 and 0, again 3/6 comes on the right hand side of a 0. So 3/6 is greater than the 0. So again we put the sign of greater than in between 3/6 and 0. 1/6 and 6/6. When we compare these two fractions, 1/6 comes on the left hand side of a 6/6. It means 1/6 is lesser than the 6/6. So we put the lesser sign in between 1/6 and 6/6. Now when we compare 8/6 and 5/6, 8/6 comes on the right hand side of the 5/6. It means 8/6 is greater than the 5/6. So we put greater than sign in between 8/6 and 5/6.